Whatever in the trial balance is called old RBD, whatever in the adjustment is called new RBD, we say. As per your trial balance, directly rent outstanding is how much? 1,300. This erection of it, whatever the wages is a nominal account, it's a capital expenditure, deduct from wages, whatever the items coming from the trial balance should appear only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanian. Called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College at Temple of Excellence, Mysore. Now, I am going to solve the problem on financial accounting related to financial account of a sole trading concern. In the last session, I explained what is a trial balance, then what are the adjustments to what is the format of a sole trading concern. I have explained about 10 to 12 adjustment, how to treat those adjustment. Now I am going to solve the final accounts of sole trading concern. We have to prepare trading account, we have to prepare profit and loss account, we have to prepare the balance sheet. With a simple problem, you're going to start, which are the accounts to prepare: one trading account, one profit and loss account, one balance sheet. Which are the three? Trading account is directly connected, P&L account is indirectly connected, whereas balance sheet is not an account, it is a statement of assets and liability. We'll move on to the problem now. And this is a problem they have given. From the following trial balance, they already prepared the trial balance of Gupta Traders, prepare trading and profit and loss account balance sheet for the year 31st December 2018. They have given a trial balance. I told you the last class, trial balance contains two sides, debit side and the credit side. Debit side, assets and expenses, credit side, incomes and liability. Capital is a credit side, drawing is a debit side. Opening stock, so where you have to come, opening stock, trading account. Returns here now, if you have got a debit side, it's called sales return. It is a credit side, it's our purchase return. Sales return should be deducted from the sale, whereas purchase return should be deducted from the purchaser. Carriage inward will come in the trading account. This will come in the trading account. Cash at bank is an asset. Carriage outward will come profit and loss account. Loan to Anil is an asset. We have given a loan to Anil, how much money? 10. He has to pay the interest, no? Then how much interest received? 250. That will come profit and loss account credit side. Then rent paid will come profit and loss account debit side. Then rent outstanding. Any outstanding in the trial balance directly come on the liability side of the balance sheet. If the same word goes to the adjustment, rent outstanding, that should be added to rent, then only liability side of the balance sheet. You must be careful here. Rent outstanding means to be paid. How much money to be paid by the firm? From Gupta Traders, what you are doing? How much rent he has to pay? 1,300 he has to pay. Still not yet paid. Directly liability side of the balance sheet. If the same word comes in the adjustment, they should be added to rent, then only liability side of the balance sheet. Now, it will come now. It will directly come on the liability side of the balance sheet. We'll move on now. Here, purchase and sale. Purchase will come in the trading account. Sales will come trading account credit side. Debtor is an asset. Creditor is a debit side is a debtor. Credit side is a creditor. Debtor is an asset. Creditor is a liability. Goodwill is an asset. It will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Advertisement in expenditure, that will come profit and loss account debit side. Then provision for doubtful debt, it is called old RBD. This is called old RBD. Whatever in the trial balance is called old RBD, whatever in the adjustment is called new RBD, we say. Then bad debt is a irrecoverable money. It will come profit and loss account debit side. Patents and trademark is an asset. It will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Cash in hand is asset side of the balance sheet. Then discount allowed is an expenditure, debit side of profit and loss account. Wages will come debit side of trading account. Debit side of trading account. Machinery is an asset. It will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. We'll move on. Here some adjustment. Provision for bad debt is 6,000 and new RBD is at 10%. He says So I'm going to solve this now slowly. Then closing stock. I already told you closing stock. Where the closing stock will come? Trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Wages include 2000 paid for erection of machinery. Deduct from wages, add to machinery, then depreciation should be calculated. Here, provide depreciation on machineries now. What is the cost of the machinery you look after? Add 2000, then only we have to calculate the value. Okay. Here, further bad debt I'm going to explain. So if we see the balance, trial balance, what's your bad debt is there? 4,000. Here, you have bad debt is 4,000. Bad debt. Your bad debt is 4,000 as per the trial balance. How much further bad debt plus further bad debt? How much further bad debt? 6,000. That should be added. Plus new RBD, they say problem. I will explain. What's a bad debt? 4,000. How much further bad debt? 6,000. How much new RBD? 10,000. If you see the balance sheet, no? What's the debtor value? 40,000. How much further bad debt? 6,000 gone. What's the balance is? 34,000. That is a new RBD. Here, new RBD should be added. Here, no, add this, no further bad debt plus new RBD. Out of 40,000, 6,000 gone. Only balance is 34,000. 10% of these 3,400. It becomes 13,400. Then, whatever the RBD is there in adjustment, this should be deducted. While you are solving the problem, I will explain once again what is all these items are. Then, we will go to the problem now. Then closing stock, where it will come? Trading account credit side, then asset side of the balance sheet. 2,000 deduct from wages, add to machinery, then only depreciation should be calculated. Very careful. So provide depreciation at what rate? 10%. We are going to solve the problem now. So you got an opening stock, how much money? 1,74,450 as per the problem. If you see the problem, you understand what's your opening stock if you go with the purchase and sale? What's your opening stock? 1,74,450. That will come trading account credit sale. After the opening stock, then what we have got? Purchase. What's the purchase is there? 11,29,700. How much returns are there? See that? Here, have you got the returns here? Here, 8,400 should be deducted. What's your purchase? 11,29,400. Purchase return is how much? 8,400 should be deducted. The balance is 11,21,300. Out of the purchase, the return should be deducted. Carriage inward, it shows here. See that how much carriage inward is there? What's your carriage inward? 12,400. That will come trading account debit side. This is 12,400. We have got wages 7,540. In your adjustment, you have got 2,000 for the erection of machinery. Out of 7,500, deduct 2,000. What's the balance left over? 5,540 is the actual wages. This is called capital expenditure. How much already wages paid? 7,540. How much erection of machinery? 2,000. It will come 5,540. If you see the problem, you can understand. If you want, you can take the photo shoot of this problem. You'll have remember the numbers are carriage inward will come in the trading account, returns, credit side, purchase return, debit side, sales return. If you want, you can go through once again. So capital will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Drawing should be deducted from the capital. Opening stock, trading account, credits, debit side. Opening stock, trading account, debit side. Purchase returns, debit side, sales return, credits, this is sales return, this is purchase return. Carriage inward will come in the trading account. Cash at bank is asset. Carriage outward will come profit and loss account. Loan to Anil is an asset. Whatever the interest come, that will come P&L account. Credit side. Rent will come P&L account. Debit side. Whatever the rent outstanding is there, directly comes on the liability side of the balance sheet. Purchase 11,29,700. Deduct the return. Debtor is an asset. Creditor is a liability. Goodwill is an asset. Advertisement is an expenditure. Provision for old RBD means this is here. Bad debt. Add further bad debt. plus new RBD minus old RBD. I'm going to explain this one. Bad debt means irrecoverable money, profit and loss account, patent trademark is an asset, cash in hand is an asset, discount allowed is an expenditure, wages is an expenditure, machinery is an asset. While you're here, remember, here further bad debt 6,000. While you're solving the problem, I will explain. The new RBD at 10%, wages should be deducted from wages, then active machinery, then only depreciation. Division, what a percentage? 10%. I'm going to explain. Your opening stock is 1,74,450. You make the purchase 11,29,700. How much return? 8,400. What's the net purchase? 11,21,300. How much carriage inward? As per the trial balance, 12,400. Wages, how much you have paid? 7,540 is already paid. In your adjustment, there is a wages erection of machinery. How much is there? 2,000. So what's the real wages come? 5,540. If you come back here, sales is 12,79,140. If you see that, here purchase and sale will come. Here we'll go to know returns are there. Returns, no. This is your sales return. That is your purchase return. So what's your purchases? Sale 12,79,140. From that, how much return? That return should be deducted. No, this return should be deducted minus the net result is 12,73,600. In your adjustment, the closing stock is 1,87,920. Once it will come here, then on the asset side of the balance sheet. Once it will come this side, then asset side of the balance sheet. Whatever the net result is, gross profit carried down, then it will be entered to profit and loss account. When I explained the trading and P&L account, I told you direct expenditure will come trading account, indirect expenditure will come profit and loss account. This amount will be transferred to profit and loss account. Next account, what we are going to prepare is a profit and loss account. Here, your gross profit has been brought down. You have given a loan to Anil at 10%. Or how much interest received? It's income. How much rent paid? 8,200. Carriage outward will come in the profit and loss account. Carriage inward will come in trading account. Bad debt 4,000. From adjustment, how much is it? 6,000. Then out of the debt are 40,000. How much is a further bad debt? 6,000. How much balance left over? 34,000. On the 10% is 3,400. In your trial balance, there is 12,000. It becomes 1,400. I will show you. Your bad debt, as per the problem, bad debt is how much? 4,000. Then further bad debt from adjustment, is 6,000. It becomes 10,000. In your balance sheet, in your trial balance, if you see the trial balance, you can understand. In your trial balance, what's the debtor sheet? What's the debtor? 40,000. Out of 40,000, 6,000 is irrecoverable. 6,000 is irrecoverable. 6,000 is here. What's the balance left over? 34,000. On that, how much percentage? 10% plus new RBD. This will come 3,400. It works out 13,400. In your trial balance, the old RBD is 12,000. The balance is 1,340. What we are showing this? 13,400. It is nothing but difference is 1,400. This 1,400 will come here. So I think here how you get 3,400 out of 40,000, 6,000 is irrecoverable. Balance is 34,000 and 10% is 3,400. What's the formula? Bad debt. Add further bad debt plus new RBD. Bad debt is 4,000. Add further bad debt is 6,000. New RBD is old RBD. This is from trial balance. It comes 1,400. How much discount allowed? 3,300. Depreciation. The cost of the machinery is 30,000. Your erection charges is 2,000. Become 32,000. On the 10% means 3,200. Advertisement expenditure 9,540. Here, the gross profit has been brought down. Interest on loan is 250 you have got. I have shown little bit working note here. How you have got this amount now. Little bit working note. We'll move on. What's the profit you got? 1,15,190. That should be added to capital. We'll go Cash in hand is asset. Cash at bank is asset. Closing stock is asset. Goodwill is asset. Patents and trade. Patent means copyrights is an asset. Then machinery original value was 30,000. How much for erection for machinery? 2,000. It become 32,000 now. And the 10% means 3,200. It works out 28,800. Then debtor is 40,000. How much further bad debt? 6,000. From the adjustment balance is 34,000. New RBD is how much? 10% of this, 3,400. How much money to be received from our customer? Only 30,600. Then your loan to Anil is how much? 10,000. He has to pay how much money? 10,000. Then come back. Your creditor as per trial balance is 30,000. As per your trial balance, directly rent outstanding is how much? 1,300. Your capital is 1,80,000. You arrive a net profit of how much? 1,15,190. It becomes 2,95,190. How much? Draw the money now. Drawings are there. 32,500. It comes to 2,62,690. If we show trial balance, you can understand. Here say that your drawing is how much? 32,500. And your capital is how much? 1,80,000. Your capital is 1,80,000. Your drawing is 32,500. Your net profit should be added to capital and drawing should be deducted. That's what we have done. See that? What's your capital? 1,80,000. How much net profit arrive? If you see that, how much net profit arrive? 1,15,190. That should be added. It becomes 2,95,190. Out of how much you are drawn? 32,500. It becomes how much? 2,62,900. Here, the most important point here, machinery is 30,000. How much? Erection charges for machinery? 2,000. That should be added. Deduct from wages. After machinery, it becomes 32,000. 10% of 32,000 is 3,200. What's the amount to receive from debtor is 28,800 only. Then debtor, I think understand 30,600 here. We got machinery 30,000, 2,000. Division, what's the value of the machinery? 28,800. Regarding the debtor, we have got 40,000. How much is irrecoverable? How much irrecoverable is 6,000? Balance is 34,000. What's the new RBD? May come, may not come to the extent of 10%, 3,400. How much you are going to receive from our customer is only 30,600. We have given loan to Anil. He has to pay how much money? 10,000. From whom you have to receive? Anil. How much money to be received? 10,000. Then creditor for seller we have to pay. There was outstanding rent in your trial balance. On the credit side, directly it will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. As per your trial balance, your capital is 1,80,000. Your net profit is 1,15,190. That should be added. How much you have drawn? No, that should be deducted. Difference is 2,62,690. So it will tally for 2,93,990. It will tally for 2,93,990. I will explain once again regarding the trial balance is considered. Here, they will give the problem like whatever the items come from the trial balance should appear only once. Whatever the items come from the trial balance should appear only once. Whatever the items comes from the adjustment should appear twice. You remember, whatever the items come from the trial balance should appear only once. Whatever the items come from the adjustment should appear minimum 2 times. If we go through the problem now, so capital and drawing. Capital directly come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Drawing should be deducted from the capital. Then opening stock, trading account. Here returns now, debit side, sales return, credit side, purchase. From 1,74,500, how much should be deducted? 8,400 should be deducted. Carry age inward, directly connected for production. It will come trading account, credit side, debit side. Where it will come? Trading account, debit side. Then cash at bank is an asset. It will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then carry age outward come profit and loss account. Inward, trading account. Goods is going out. Outward is called profit and loss account. Loan to Anil, we have to receive from Anil how much money? 10,000. How much interest received? 250. Profit and loss account credit side. Then rent paid how much? 8,200. Profit and loss account debit side. How much outstanding directly comes on the liability side of the balance sheet. I already explained. If the same amount comes from the adjustment, add to rent, then liability side of the balance sheet. If comes direct in the trial balance, directly where it will come, liability side of the balance sheet. We'll move on to profit and loss. Here, move on to next one. Purchases, where it will come, trading account debits. You must remember all these things. It will come trading account debit side, sales, trading account credit side, then debtor is an asset, creditor is a liability, this is an asset, this is a liability, goodwill is an asset, then advertisement in expenditure, whatever the RBD is given, it is called old RBD. What's the formula? Bad date, add further bad date, plus new RBD minus old RBD, this should be deducted. Then bad debt is a loss. Then patents and trademark is an asset. Patent means copyrights is an asset. Cash in hand is an asset. Discount allowed is an expenditure. It should become on the debit side. Then wages in expenditure, it will come in the trading account. Then machinery is an asset. You remember 30,000, it will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. We'll move on to next one. Further bad debt 6,000. You have debtor is how much? 40,000. How much is irrecoverable? 6,000. What's the balance? 34,000. On 34,000, 10% means 3,400 minus old RBD is 12,000. 4,000 plus 6,000, 10,000. On 34,000, 3,400 means 13,400. Your old RBD is 12,000. Difference is whatever the amount come, P&L account, debit entry. Then closing stock, where it will come? Trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Where it will come? Trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Wages include 2,000 paid for the erection of machinery. This erection of whatever the wages is a nominal account, it's a capital expenditure, deduct from wages, add to machinery, then you have to calculate the division. First, it should be deducted from wages. Then, in the balance sheet, it should be added to wages. Then only division should be calculated. Then, provide division on 10% mean your machinery value is 30,000 as per trial balance. How much erection of machinery? 2,000. It becomes 32,000. How much depreciation should be charged? 3,200. 10%. 3,200. So it will come 28,800 on the asset side of the balance sheet. So what's the figure? 30,000, 2,000 gone. That add this 2,000, 32,000, 10% of this is 3,200. The balance is 28,800 will come. Then regarding this, 1,87,000, where it will come? Trading account, credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. This no bad debt in your bad debt. As per the problem, I will explain once again. Irrecoverable 4,000 plus further bad debt from adjustment, it is 6,000. It becomes 10,000. Your debtor figure is 40,000. How much is the bad debt? 6,000. What's the balance? 34,000. 10% of that plus new RBD. 10% of 34,000 means 3,400. It becomes 13,400 minus old RBD. We'll repeat. Bad debt is 4,000 as per trial balance. Add further bad debt. This one will come here. 6,000 become 10,000. So out of debtor, how much should be deducted? 6,000. You got a balance of debtor 40. How much should be deducted? 6,000 become 34,000 and 10% is 3,400. It comes to 13,400. In your trial balance, you got 12,000 as old RBD. Balance is 1,400. This is a loss. While doing the balance sheet, your debtor is 40,000. How much further bad debt? 6,000. It becomes 34,000. On that 34,000, you got a new RBD 3,400. Deduct 0,060. 30. So 40,000, 6,000, 34,000 on that 3,400 new RBD. The balance you are going to receive from our customer is considered. We'll move on now. So I think you understand this. Here, whatever the gross profit comes from here, then rent is an expenditure. Don't take rent outstanding because it is in a trial balance. Carry a inward is a trading account. Outward is a profit and loss. Bad debt 4,000 from adjustment 6,000. New RBD is 3,400. As per the trial balance 12,000. How much loss we suffered? Only 1,400. Discount allowed 3,300 here. Depreciation is machinery value 30,000 plus erection of machinery 2,000. It becomes 32,000. 10% of this work out 3,200. Your advertisement expenditure is 9,540. The difference will come 1,15,190. What's the difference? 1,15,190. Move on to balance sheet. Cash in hand is asset. Cash at bank is asset. Closing stock is asset. Goodwill is asset. Machinery 30,000. Add erection charges of machinery 2,000. 32,000. 10 depreciation at 10%. 3,200. What's the balance? 28,800. Debtor is 40,000. How much is irrecoverable? 6,000. 34,000. What's the new RBD? 3,400. 10% of the, what's the money to be received? 30,600. What's the money to be received from a loan to Anil? We have given loan to Anil how much money? 10,000. We are going to receive 10,000 from Anil. Here, creditor is a 30,000. Rent out, this is from the trial balance. Directly come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Your capital is 1,80,000. How much earns the profit? 1,15,190 during the year. How much money drawn? 32,000 fine. What is the final balance? 2,62,690. So it will tally for 2,93,990. It will tally for 2,93,990. It's a good problem. So go through the problem now. Whatever the doubt you have got, in the next class, you are going to ask whatever the doubt you have got. We'll discuss in the question answer session. Whatever the doubt you have got, you can ask me a question, I'll get you answer. So trial balance we give. So when you take the trial balance, what is the step today? Whatever the items come from the trial balance should appear only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. Whatever comes from the adjustment account should appear twice, minimum time, maybe go to 3 times also. So what's the trial balance shows? Debit side asset and expenses, credit side incomes and liability. While preparing the balance sheet, you must be careful. I told the final account which is going to prepare at the end of the year, it has got 3 sections. One is trading account, one is profit and loss account, one is the balance sheet. What the trading account says, direct expenditure, purchase and sale, difference is gross profit or gross loss. Next is profit and loss account, which gives net profit or net loss. Whereas the balance sheet is not an account, it is a statement of assets and liability, which shows the financial position of the business. When in the exam now, when you give the problem, first you go through the trial balance. How to go through the trial balance? I will explain. They will give this trial balance. Just go through 2 or 3 times the trial balance and find out where the items will come. If you just see the capital liability side of the balance sheet, drawing should be deducted from capital. Opening stock, trading account, debit side. Then return, deduct from sale. This is sales return, this is purchase return. Then carry a inward come, trading account, debit side. Then cash at bank is asset side of the balance sheet. Carry a outward, profit and loss account, debit side. Remember, inward trading account, outward profit and loss account. So loan to Anil, asset side of the balance sheet. Whatever the interest received, that will come profit and loss account, credit side. Then rent paid will come profit and loss account. Rent outstanding, directly rent outstanding on the liability side of the balance sheet. Then purchase will come trading account. Then sales will come trading account, credit side. Debtor is asset, creditor is a liability, goodwill is asset. Advertisement is expenditure, profit and loss account. Whatever the RBDs come, it's a old RBD formula. Bad debt, add further bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Then bad debts in a loss. It will come trading profit and loss account, debit side. Patents and trademark is an asset. Cash in hand is an asset. Discount allowed is an expenditure. Wages will come trading account. Then machinery is an asset. Then move on. This is an adjustment. Two times it has to come. It should be deduct. First time it will come profit and loss account. Then in the balance sheet. How to do in the profit and loss account for a bad debt. Further bad debt should be added. New RBD should be added. Old RBD should be deducted. This comes twice. One trading account credit side, then asset side of the balance sheet. Wages include two times. It is an adjustment two times. Deduct from wages, add to machinery, then depreciation should be calculated. Provide depreciation machine on 10%. Your cost of the machine is 30,000. Erection charges is 2,000. 30 become 32,000. 10% of this 3,200. What is depreciation? Fall in the value. Fall in the value of the asset is called depreciation. Continuous diminishing in the value is called depreciation. Increase in the value is called appreciation. What's called diminishing value is called depreciation. So when you purchase the machinery, it may be have 40,000. Today it may have got 35,000. How much has fallen down? 5,000 is called depreciation. We are going to save. So while we are solving the problem, we have got everything you have gone done. See that how the division will be here. See that 30 plus 2, 32,000. 10% of this is erection charges. All the indirect expenditure you have taken into consideration. This is very important. Bad debt, add further bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. The regular formula, bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. So adjustment with the adjustment formula, bad debt, add further bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Here, balance sheet, no, all assets will come. See that how we have adjusted machinery. Erection is 2,000, 32,000. Depreciation on this is 3,200. Balance is 28,800. What's the value of the debtor? We have to receive from customer 40,000. How much is irrecoverable? 6,000. What's the balance? 34,000. On the 10% of this 3,400. How much you are going to receive? Only 30,600. We have given to loan to Anil. How much money we are going to receive is 10,000. Here, for a seller, you have to pay how much? 30,000. Outstanding rent will come on the trial balance credit side, directly on the liability side of the balance sheet. I told so many times, if the rent outstanding comes on the adjustment, after rent, then only liability side of the balance sheet. We started with a capital of 1,80,000. This year we earn a profit of 1,15,190. How much money drawn? 32,000. What's the end figure now? 1,80,000 become 2,62,990. So that means here 82,690 has been increased. If you see your capital, how much is there? 1,80,000. Here, how much is there? 2,62,690. Another 20 means 82,690 have been earned. That shows there is a progress in the firm. There is an increase in the capital. How much here? 1,80,000 becomes how much? 2,62,090 means 82,690 has been increased. Means your net profit is very good. Net profit is there. So if you understand this, no, it's the first problem. No, sometimes you may feel difficulty regarding the assets and liability. When you go through the problem, we can slowly you give more interest. No, work more and more. More. It is not at all intelligent. Just work. Just accountancy is not at all intelligent. It's hard work. How much hard work goes, the result will become. So we have solved the first problem. In the next session, we are going to solve another problem with all good adjustment. So better to go through today, whatever the problem you have solved, you remember what is a trial balance, what are the adjustment you have to do. Trial balance item should come only once. Adjustment item comes minimum 2 times. So that we have to prepare a trading account, we have to prepare profit and loss account, we have to prepare the balance sheet. Trading account is a result of purchase and sale. All the indirect expense will come profit and loss account. Balance sheet is not an account. It is a statement showing what's the value of the asset, value of the that shows the financial position of the current firm. So you prepare the final account, which is the last account prepared by a sole trader, me single man business. After this account, no more account should be prepared. It's the last account prepared by a sole trader to know that how much profit you earn when compared to last year. I think you have gone through the problem and you understand. In the next session, we are going to solve another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet you once again.